Hello, in this video we're going to talk about how to create a lamp. So we will switch it on and off by using a script. So first of all, let's add the lamp. I created this room, simple room with 4 walls and with a roof, but I deactivate the roof to see what's going on in the room. So I want to drag a simple lamp here, then I will create the script. So first of all, go to the window, then go to Asset Store, search online, then search on a lamp. There are many ways to drag a lamp, but I will choose the free assets to download it free. I choose in simple wall lamp, then I click on open in Unity, then open Unity editor, then import it, then click on import. Now it's shown here, the lamp wall. Click on it, go to the scene, go to the prefab, then drag the lamp here. You can choose on or off. I choose in the off. You can choose one of them. So put it in the perfect place. You can scale it. I can scale 3 by 3 by 3, X and Y and Z axis. So this is the lamp. Now I want to create a point light. Point light, right click, then create light, point light. This is a point light. Put it, you can arrange the light. I can choose 6 grade. Put it the way you like to put. Okay, so this is the light. Now I want to create a switch, which is, let's say it's a cube. You can search in the assets as switch, but I want to use now a cube. Put it here in the wall. This is the switch. I will scale it less than this. So let's say this is the bottom. After that, go to edit collider. You should edit the collider. And you should put it as trigger. Now let's see. So in this area, I can click on the bottom and the light should be on and off. So first of all, go to the player and choose the player. This is a capsule, this is the player, and tag it, add a tag as a player, because in the script the player has a name as a player. Okay, now let's put the script. You will find the script down below in the description. So now I want to create the script. You will find the script down below in the description. So Control C, select all and then click Control C or copy. Then go here and you should name it as turn light. So here create a C# script, turn light as this. Then double click to the turn light to open the script. Then select all the writing and Control V to paste what you add. Turn light should be the same name. Turn light, or the program will show an error. Now Control S to save the script. Close it. Now, as we can see, wait a little second. This is the switch. Let's name it switch. We have switch and point light. Okay, add the turn light to the switch, then click on the switch, and here add the light. Put the point light. Now let's try it. I know there's something we should do before, but let's try it. But before I do that, let's edit the collider and make it bigger than this. Okay, then click OK and see if the light work or not. You should deactivate the light first. Now if I press E, it's open and closed, but let's see that you entered a dark room. So deactivate the point light like this. Now when we run the game and go to the switch, now nothing happened. If I press E, the light works great. Good.